They say honesty is the best policy, but does that apply to cats and men? Think about it. A cat steals your sandwich, gets caught and just stares at you like, yeah, I did it. What are you going to do? Brutally honest, right? Now imagine asking a guy if he ate the last cookie. Cookie? What cookie? Classic. When a cat doesn't like you, you'll know. The hiss, the swat, the cold shoulder, no guessing games there. But guys, they'll nod and smile while silently plotting their escape. And those 3 a.m. zoomies, your cat's way of saying, I'm going to keep you up and I'm not even sorry. Ever met a guy who admits to snoring? Exactly. So let's give it up for our feline friends, honest to the core, even if it means spilling your secrets. Cats 1, men 0.